Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save your Capcut exported video to your gallery. Just follow my instructions carefully. First, open your Capcut application. Now create a new project. Select the particular video you want to edit, and once you're done with your editing, go to the top right corner and click on the Export button. Let the video export completely. Once the video is exported, you'll see many options, like share to TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or others. Click on Other. You'll see several more options. You can share it to any other application, but to save it directly to your gallery, just click Done. Your video will be automatically saved to your gallery. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.